Welcome to the TechPack area. Your TechPack is where your factory can see a breakdown of your style, of which includes components, dimensions, materials, variations, and other information. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to set up a TechPack, adding materials, components, dimensions and construction, variations, and style codes, how to upload your dimensions table, and how to set up a TechPack from your mood boards. There are three main sections to your TechPack: style details, materials, dimensions, components, and other. I will take you through each of these sections. Firstly, we will look at style details. Here you can change your style details. If you would like to change the style name, hit the pen icon next to the name. Once you have changed the name, hit Enter to save. The first thing you will notice on your TechPack is your hero image. You can add multiple images using the plus sign below the image. To change the hero image, quantities, and style code, click on the pen tool next to Style Summary and click on the image you want as a hero image. You can alter the quantities in the box below and the style code. Hit Save. To add a new material, head to the plus sign below Materials. To get started, add a photo, material name, which I will use organic cotton, material type, composition, weight, and description. Hit Add once you have completed and your material will be saved. You can also add a material from the Materials library. Hit the plus sign next to Materials and click on Choose from Library. You will see that the fabric I just uploaded is already saved. All of the materials you add to Supply Compass are automatically saved in this library, which can save you time when setting up new styles. You can also select a material from our Sustainable Materials library and use the filter at the top to refine your search. Once you've selected your material, click on the material and click Add. Once you've added your material, you can then start adding colours and any prints or embroideries. To do this, click into the Materials card. To edit the material details, click the pen tool below the photo. And once you have edited this information, hit OK to save. And your information will automatically be uploaded. To add a colour, click Add Plus. Click into the circle and select your colour. You will be given the option to choose from the colour picker tool, or alternatively, you can use the hex code or the RGBA code. Next, you will need to give your colour a name, a colour code, and then name that colour code type, and then attach to a variation. And once you have done all this, hit Save. To add a print or embroidery, hit Add. You will need to upload print dimensions, print name, print type, repeat, description, and then the artwork, and also attach this to variation. Once you have done this, hit Save. To edit a colour and a print embroidery, click on the pen tool. Once you have edited the information, hit Save. To delete a material, go back into the main TechPack area. Click on the bin icon on that material and hit Yes, please. And that will automatically be deleted from your TechPack. Next, we will be looking at components. This is where you will be able to add details on components such as trims used in your style. For an example, buttons, brand labels, care labels, etc. Click on the plus sign below the components heading to start. Just like we did with materials, you can upload a new component or you can select a component from the component library. To add a new component, you will need to upload a photo, give this a component name, Give it a composition, dimension notes and description. The more information, the better. Hit Add to save, and this will now be added to your tech pack. To edit the details of the component, click back into the Components card and edit in exactly the same way as displayed in the Materials section. Dimensions and construction. This is where your fit log will live. To get started, click on the box below Dimensions heading. The first thing you will need to do is upload a photo into the box on the left. This should be a photo of a flat drawing with lines. It should demonstrate points of measure on the garment. Next, you'll be asked to input your standard sizing. You can select as many as you need. You can also add your own custom sizing if you would prefer. Next, set your sample size. This is the size you would like to request samples in. Please note that you can change this up until you order your first sample. Next, select your measurement units. And hit save once all is completed. You will be taken to the fit log. If you already have measurements you're working on in Excel, you can upload these easily, or you can use our handy tool to set up your fit log. To set up your measurements using our tool, click on the plus sign and then pin the pin annotation onto the garment on the point of measurement. And label accordingly into the POM area. Fill in your tolerance, sizing and grading it across all. Repeat this process until all your measurements are complete. Hit the three dots next to the size at any time to change your sample size, add a size, rearrange, reorder, or delete size. To upload via a CSV file, click Upload Measurements. When you come to this page, you will be asked to upload our simple template. Click Download your data. The doc will be saved to your downloads. Fill in your POMs, tolerance, grading, and sizing according to the ones you have already input. Refer to this checklist to make sure you have filled out all the correct information. Please note you could cause error to occur if you add additional formatting to this document. Please ensure that there are no commas or spacing in the document also to avoid this. Once completed, drag and drop the document into the upload area. Hit Confirm and select Done. Dimensions will automatically be populated in the table. Lastly, you will need to pin on the dots for the points of measure. Above the table, you are also able to change unit measurements, change the sample size, add a size, apply grading, and add measurements. To access construction and placement, click on Construction and Placement next to the fit log. Use this area to give your factory clear instructions on construction and placement. Click on the image and annotate with comments. For example, the placement of your brand label, etc. You can add as many comments as you like. To remove the pin, hit the three dots and click Remove. To add another image in this area, hit the plus sign. Lastly, I will take you through how to add Other. This area is the best place for adding reference images. This could include anything from sample images to inspirational content. This is where uncategorized images from your mood boards will be kept. Click on the plus sign and hit Upload Image. Give it a title and a description and click Add. Once you have successfully created your tech pack, we strongly advise you look at our tech pack checklist. You can find this in our Help Center under a checklist for the perfect tech. Use this to check that you have all the correct information to proceed with the sampling process.